Very good morning to all of you, my dear children. In today's session, let us learn about adverbs. Okay, the name of the topic is adverb. So we are in worksheet 8 now, page number 20. So all of you, please do turn over to page number 20, worksheet 8. So adverb, from the very word itself, it's very clear, children. So it is also something very much related to the verb. So what is a verb then? What are verbs? Come on, tell me. What are verbs?
Doing
Yes. Doing words or action words are called as verb. Now we know what is a verb is. Okay, let us say it again. What are verbs? Come on, say it again. Doing words or action words are called verb. Okay, so today's topic, what are we going to learn? Adverb. Okay, so what do you mean by the term adverb? We are adding something to the verb. Or to make it more clear, I'll tell you, we are telling something more about the verb. Okay, so when we say something more about the verb, that word is called as the adverb. Clear to all of you? So adverbs are words that tell us something more about the verb. For example, eat. Okay, so it tells us something. Eat is a verb. Eat slowly. So it tells us something more about the verb. What it tells something more about the word? When you eat your food, eat slowly. So slowly is the adverb here. Clear? Clear to all of you? Okay, when you write neatly. Okay, so write is a verb. So neatly tells something more about the verb. Okay, so whenever you write, we have to write neatly. Okay, speak politely. So whenever you speak to elders, okay, how we have to speak? Speak politely. So politely is the adverb there. Okay, so speak is the adverb and politely it tells something more about the verb. Clear to all of you? Is it clear? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, so let's move on to the topic. Okay, children. So all of you, please have a look at it. Yes? So we are on the topic adverbs, that is worksheet 8. Worksheet adverbs. We are in worksheet 8 and all of you please do take page number. What is the page number is? 20. Yes, are you all ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So adverb is nothing but it is a word that tells something more about the verb. Clear to all of you? Adverb is a word that tells us something more about the verb. Okay, it tells something more about the verb. All of you look at this example. All of you look at the slide very carefully. I ate my dinner quickly. Okay, first when a sentence is given, I wanted all of you to mute your audios. Please do mute it and listen very, very carefully. Okay, because we haven't learned this topic in grade 1. So we know what is a verb is. So in a sentence, identify the verb. Which is the adverb? Which is a verb here?
Eat.
Ate is a, yes, it is a past tense of eat. It is ate. So ate is a verb here. Now what you have to do? Ask a question. How did he eat his food? Or how did he eat his dinner? How? How did he eat?
I eat
Quickly. Okay, how did he eat? Quickly. So quickly is the adverb here. Clear to all of you? Okay. First, when a sentence is given, children, in order to find out the adverb, what we have to do is find the verb. Find the verb there. So ate is the verb there. And ask a question, how? Okay, you will get the answer. How did he eat his dinner? He ate his dinner quickly. Oh, so, okay. So quickly is the adverb there. Got it, all of you? Yes?
ma'am.
Yes, all of you, please do mute your audios. Clear? Clear to all of you, and please do turn on your videos. Yes? All of you, please do turn on your videos and mute your audios, please. Let me see you all. Have all of you understood? Yes. Now let's move on to the next example. All of you, please do turn on your videos. I wanted to see you all listening. Now, here is an example for you. The dog barks loudly. So first of all, we need to identify the verb in the sentence. Come on, identify the verb here. Barks. So barks is a verb here. Okay. And ask a question. How did the dog bark? How did the dog bark? Loudly. So loudly is the adverb here. Clear to all of you? It is very, very simple. Okay, so first of all, find out the verb. Ask a question. How? Just how? You will get an answer. Loudly. So loudly is the adverb. Yes, what is that? No, I'm just asking you, do you have any, are you facing any problem?
No, ma'am.
Yes, okay then. So have all of you understood?
Yes.
Everyone?
Yes.
Everyone understood? Okay then.
Yes.
Okay.
When I go to the how and action
All
have.
of you, please do mute your audios. Only if it's necessary, you will unmute it. All of you are talking in between the session. Okay, first listen. Here, all of you, please have a look at this slide. All of you look at it. So we have quickly and loudly. These are the adverbs. Okay. Now, in order to find out the adverb, we need to ask a question, how an action happens. Okay. So what question we need to ask in order to find out the adverb, my dear children? How the action happens. So you will get the answer, and that is the adverb in the sentence. Once more, I'll tell you, now we are learning the basics. Okay, not only how we can ask many questions as such, but as you go to the higher classes, you will learn more about the adverbs. Now as such, let's go from the beginning of it. Okay, so that is how I've told you. So in order to find out the adverb, ask a question, how? And have you noticed in all these words, what is similar in all these examples, children? What have you found here? All the words ended? What is it? Ah, very good. Ly. So that is what we are going to learn, that most of the adverbs end in ly. You can see here, quickly, peacefully, loudly. Here, most of the verbs end in ly. Clear to all of you? Is it easy to identify the adverbs here? Yes. So here, there are adverbs. Here are some of the examples. Some of you are talking unnecessarily, I do feel so. And it is not at all clear what you speak.
Ma'am, example, sadly and happily.
Yes, all these are examples, I know it.
Carefully.
Yes, okay, children, when I ask you a question, please do answer to my questions. Okay, first you listen first. We are learning a new topic. Okay, first we need to understand what it is. Okay, so the exercises are going to come. Okay, when the exercise comes, we will learn more about it. Okay, first all of you listen. So we know that. So we are learning about the adverbs. So first let us move from the basics to the, what we know. Okay, from the known to the unknown. Okay, so all these are very simple. So it is very easy to identify an adverb in a sentence. That is most of the adverbs, all of you listen. Most of the adverbs, not all. Most of the adverbs end in ly. Clear to all of you? Most of the adverbs end in ly. Most of the adverbs end in ly. Okay, so it is easy to identify an adverb in a sentence. Clear to all of you? Now, here are some of the examples of adverbs. What are these examples? Cleverly, okay? Foolishly, slowly, quietly, gently, sadly. These are some of the examples. Okay, now just read the examples once more. Cleverly, foolishly, slowly, quietly, gently, sadly. Okay, so these are the examples of adverbs. Clear to all of you? Yes, and adverbs, in order to find out the adverb, what we have to do? We have to ask a question, how the action happens. Okay, so you will get the answer. That is the adverb. That is a normal way of identifying an adverb. But the clue is that most of the adverbs end in ly. Okay, clear to all of you? So it is very, very easy to identify the adverb in our sentence. First of all, let us be familiar with the adverbs first. Now, there is an easy way of changing the words into adverbs. How do we change the words into adverbs? Just add ly, or if the word end in y, what we have to do? Change the y into I and add ly to it. Okay, so this exercise will help us to how to change the words into adverbs. Okay, are you all ready with page number 21, my dear children? First, let us be familiar with some of the adverbs. Okay, are you all ready? Yes, open to page number 21. All of you, my dear children, please do take page number 21. Adinath, are you all ready? Page number 21. Yes, very good. So here are a few words for you. Okay, I'll tell you how to change the words into adverbs. Are you all ready? If you're ready, I will start. Yes, can we start? All of you take your pencils in your hand. Yes, there is a word here, loud. Now we are going to change this word into adverb. How is that we are going to change? Yes, loudly. Very good. Youths know it. Yes, it is loudly. Just add ly at the end of the word. Now come on, write. Take your pencils in your hand, all of you, my dear children. Now you write. Yes, write it.
And next word is quickly.
Yes, very good. Quickly, write it.
Ma'am, page number 1.
Page number is 21.
And I have completed the exercise.
Okay. If you've completed, it's okay, my dear children. Those who haven't, please do it. Okay, now let's move on to the next word, my dear children. It is quick. So how is that we are going to change the word into adverb? Come on, tell me. It is quickly. Very good. Q-U-I-C-K. So we have written the word and just add ly at the end of the word. Okay, so it is quickly. Very good.
Ma'am, can I take the next?
Yes, you can. I'm waiting for everyone to finish. Okay.
Ma'am, page number?
Page number is 21. Now we are moving on to page number 22. Okay.
Better, betterly.
Yes, bit is bitter, my dear. It is bitter.
Better is equal to betterly. B-I-T-T-E-R-L-Y. R-L-Y. Betterly.
Yes, have all of you finished? Let's move on to page number 22. I'm waiting for others also. Yes. Okay. Then. Now, all of you, please do take page number 22. Please do take page number, turn to page number 22, all of you. If you're finished with, now you are going to do it. Okay. Okay. So I've taught you the two examples. Now you are going to do it. Yes. Are you all ready? Others, please do mute your audios. Yes, Tirtha. Come on, Tirtha. Take the next word. What is this word is?
Ma'am, my full word is completed.
It's okay, Pratana. Tirtha, come on, read the word.
But
It is bitter. Bitter. Okay, bitter. Yes. So what we have to do, how do you pronounce the word is bitter? Bitter. B-I-T-T-E-R. It is bitter. Yes, come on, tell me. It is bitter. Come on, Tirtha. Bitter. Others, please do mute your audios.
Bitterly.
Bitterly. Yes, bitterly. Bitterness. Okay, B-I-T-T-E-R. So it should be pronounced as bitter. Bitterly. Come on, write all of you. It's a very simple exercise, my dear children. Nothing much to do. But please do understand, as you go to the higher classes, it will help you. Now we are just learning the basics. Okay. Okay, now let's move on to the next word. Megadash. Come on, Megadash. Megadash.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, come on.
Angry.
Yes, angry, the word is. Okay, this word ends in Y. So what we have to do when we write the spelling, when we add ly to it, it changes. Okay, Y will change into, come on, tell me. Y will change into I before adding ly to it. Okay, so when you add ly, children, only this makes a little bit of changes. All the other words, just you have to add ly at the end of the word. Okay, but if the word ends in Y, what you have to do? Change the Y into I, then add ly to it. Okay, have all of you understood? Carry on with your work. Yes.
S M A R T.
Smartly, I-N-Y. E-I-N-Y.
It's very easy, my dear children. Yes.
Smartly. I-ന് തമ്മിലുള്ള
Others, please to mute, my dear children. Mute it, mute it, mute it. Mute your audios.
മിസ് പറഞ്ഞിട്ട് എഴുതിയാ മതി തെറ്റുമല്ലെങ്കിൽ
Tiny. Softly.
Yes. Now let's move on to Riza. Riza, come on, Riza. Others, please to mute your audios. You're disturbing others. Yes, if you're finished, please to mute it.
I-N-Y.
P-P-I-L-I-L-Y.
Y-Y.
Slowly.
Yes, slow. So how is that you're going to write the word? You have to add ly at the end of the word. Very good. Slowly. Very good, Riza.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, I made it to the fifth question. Ma'am, can I
Okay, okay. You carry on with your work. If you're finished, it's okay.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can
Yes,
I?
Wait. I'll call you. I'm just looking at those who are.
Ma'am,
Adam,
I
Joe,
have
come
not
on,
been
Adam. Adam, come on, Adam. Adam,
Sound.
come on, read the word. The next word.
Net.
It is neat. How do you pronounce the word? It is neat. So how do we
Neat.
change the word into adverb, Adam?
Neatly.
Very good. So come on, tell me the spelling of the word.
N-E-A-T-L-Y.
Very good, Adam. Okay, very good. Yes. So all the others, please do write. Those who haven't finished. Yes, it is neatly. Yes, very good.
Climb.
Wait. Others, please don't be in a hurry. Others, please do mute your audios. I know it's an easy exercise. Please mute your audios.
Can I do the next exercise?
Wait. Why is that? You have to go in a hurry.
The class have at least two options.
Others, please mute your audios, my dear. Otherwise, I have to mute you all. Okay, Rihan, come on, unmute it, Rihan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, come on. Come on.
Then.
What is this word is? Pronounce the word.
God.
It is greed. This word, sixth word. How do you pronounce the word? It is G-R-E-E-D-Y. How do we pronounce? It is greedy. Okay. Now we are moving. We are changing the word greedy into adverb. So what are the necessary changes we need to make there? G-R. Come on, tell me the spelling. E-E-D-I. Very good. D-I. L-Y. Yes. This Y, come on, all of you, please do make a note. Okay. The words that end with Y, what we have to do before adding L-Y to it, change the Y into I before adding L-Y to it. Okay, Rihan. Very good, Rihan. Yes. Others, I could see that. You have all of you finished? Yes. Muhammad Rishan, come on, Rishan. Do the next word, Rishan. Rishan, unmute it.
Smart, smartly.
Yes, very good. Smart, smartly. Very good. Smart, smartly. Just add ly at the end of the word. Yes, very good. Smartly. S. Yes, very good. Very good. Smartly. Come on, write it. Maithili is present. What about Nakshatra? Present. Jewel, come on, Jewel. Jewel?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, come on, read the next word.
Happy. Happily.
Very good. Come on, tell me the spelling of the word, Jewel.
H-A-P-P-I-L-I.
Very good, Jewel. Very good. Very good. Yes. Now, Joanetta, come on. Do the next word for me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, come on.
Quiet. Quietly.
Yes, very good. Quiet. So this word has to be pronounced as quiet. Okay. So quiet. It is quietly. Q-U-I-E-T-L-Y. Very good. Quietly. Siddharth is not there. Siddharth is absent. Siddharth. Just raise your hands, okay, my dear children, so that I know it. So Siddharth and Sridhar is absent. Nakshatra is also absent. Nakshatra is absent. And what about May? Meghadash is present. Yes, Meghadash is present. Manav. Manav. Juan. Juan is absent. Manav is absent. Jewel was present. Dhruva is absent. What happened to Dhruva? Aisha Nashwa is absent. Aisha. Ayush is there. Aisha Nashwa is absent. Sruta Kirti. Okay. Aisha Nashwa is absent. And what about Adil Maria? Adil Maria? Adil Anna is there. Adil Maria is not there. What happened to Adil Maria? Abhinav MP? Agni, TS and Abhinav MP. All these children are not there. What happened to them? Juan is present. Yes, Juan. Okay then. So let's move on to the next word. That is Adil Ann. Come on, Adil. Come on, read the next word.
Sadly.
Sadly, very good. Sadly, SADLY. I hope all of you are writing it. Yes, as it is a new topic, we should be familiar with all the words. So these are the adverbs. Okay, so bitterly, angrily, slowly, neatly, greedily, smartly, happily, quietly, sadly. So some exercises are coming. We have to write the sentences by our own. Okay, Evelyn, come on, Evelyn. Evelyn.
Yes, ma'am. We sleep.
Yes, it is wise. So what we have to do? Wisely. So come on. Wise. So when you're writing, children, write it neatly as well as write it correctly. Okay, without any spelling errors.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Agnes, Jojo, come on. Read the next word, Agnes.
CLE.
CLE. Come on. CLEVER. How do you pronounce the word? How do you pronounce the word? It is clever. So what we have to do? It is
Cleverly.
cleverly. That's all. Cleverly. When you pronounce the word, pronounce it properly. Okay. Yes. VERLY. Cleverly. Yes. Cleverly. Okay. Now let's move on to Agni. TS is there, no? Agni, come on, Agni. Agni, come on.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, Agni. Come on, read the next word, Agni.
Friendly. Friendly.
Yes. Kind. Yes, louder, please. I couldn't hear you what you're saying.
Kindly.
Kindly. Very good. So it is kindly. This exercise is so simple. You can do it by yourself. Yes, Meron. Come on, Meron. So as this is a new topic, I'm just moving out very slowly so that you'll be able to understand what our adverbs are. Meron, come on, unmute it, Meron. Yes, unmute it. Unmute it, unmute it. Not able to? Come on, do it once more. First you unmute it, Meron. Unmute it. Not able to? Okay. Adinath, come on. Adinath, unmute it, my dear. Unmute it. Yes. Come on, read the next word, Adinath. Louder. What is this word is? It is soft. Yes, soft. So what we have to do to the word? Your audio, I could not hear you. I'm reading your lips. It is softly. Yes, very good. You're saying the word, but I could not hear you. Sandria, come on, Sandria. Sandria. Come on, read the next word. Mm. Mm.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, come on. Mm. Come on, children. You're not audible to me. Yes. Yes, Andrea, come on, read the question. It is strong. How do you pronounce the word? It is strong. Okay, strong. Okay, children, all these words are, we are not so familiar with all these words. So when you do the exercise, children, at least go through each word and read each word at least 5 times so that we'll be familiar with all these words. That is what we are moving very, very slowly. So look at these words. Answer is adding of ly is very, very easy. Just add ly to it, but we should be familiar these all with all these words. Okay, so your homework for today is, I wanted all of you to read page number 21 and 22, all the 20 words. Please go through all the 20 words and read all the 20 words at least 5 times. Okay, you're not familiar with all these words. Come on, Sandria, read the word. Strong.
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 S
T
S T
R O
R O
N G
N G Y.
L Y, strongly. Okay, Sandria. Okay then. So when you write Sarah, come on, Sarah. Did I call you Sarah? Yes, come on, do the next word.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Sound. SOUNDLY.
Very good. Soundly. Ritvik, come on, Ritvik. Do the next word.
Ma'am.
Yes, Ritvik. It is? Yes, polite. So,
Politely.
very good. Politely. Okay. Iron, come on, Iron.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, come on, read the word. 19th word.
Sweet.
Yes, sweet. So it is?
Sweetly.
Very good, sweetly. Ivania, come on, Ivania. Do the next word for me. Last word.
Tell me. Calmly.
Calm, calm, calm. The pronunciation, it is calm. It is calmly. So the homework for tomorrow is, I wanted all of you to read through these words. Okay? Read through the words, at least each word 5 times. Read through it with proper pronunciation. Okay, and you have to complete the exercise which is there on page number 21 and 22. Okay, I'll send a note regarding it. So we have come to the end of today's session. So we have understood what are adverbs. Come on, tell me once more, what are adverbs? Adverbs are?
Strongly.
No, I wanted to understand what have you understood from the word adverb. Yes, we have done an exercise related to it. So what are adverbs? Adverbs are words. Come on, tell me. Adverbs are words that tell us something. Something more about the verb. Come on, say it again. The verb. Yes. With this, we are going to wind up today's session, my dear children. Okay, children. So bye-bye. Bye-bye all. Thank you, my dear. Thank you.